gold, the spark that ignited humanity. We are traveling back to the dawn of time. The Paleolithic Era, where it all began. Amazing! You can almost smell the ancient history. Look at this simple combustion process. It takes a bit of elbow grease. Whoa! That is highly reactive. The greatest discovery in evolutionary history. It changed our world forever. Raw meat? No, thank you. But with fire, culinary magic happens. Heat breaks down proteins, easing digestion. Delicious and packed with accessible energy. This calorie surplus fueled a massive change. Our brains began to grow exponentially. Billions of new neural pathways were formed. From small primate minds to complex human intellects. More calories meant more physical and mental power. But fire was not just for cooking. Back into the shadows, you overgrown furball! That was a close call. Fire brought us together, creating the first communities. We shared stories, warmth, and absolute safety. The dawn of early communication and culture. Then we learned to harness the extreme heat. Welcome to the age of early metallurgy. Tools and weapons forged from the earth itself. We lived from stone to bronze eras. More oxygen means hotter flames, pushing our limits. Fast forward, and that fire became steam power. The Industrial Revolution changed the pace entirely. Jojo, the whole world started moving faster. Time waits for no one, my dear friends. Next, we turn that heat into raw electricity. Spinning turbines powered the modern connected world. Let there be light everywhere all the time. Exact same spark, just in different forms. And then we aim directly for the stars. Fire pushed us beyond our planetary boundaries. From a small campfire to the vast cosmos. It is all connected, the timeline of progress. We hold the entire world in our hands. My work here is done. Time to go. Keep the fire of curiosity burning within you. Onward to the next great adventure. Goodbye, future innovators.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.